Hi there, today I will show you how you can install ChatGPT app at your Android phone like I'm having a ChatGPT app at my phone. So for installing that app, first let's go to Chrome, and at Chrome we have to search ChatGPT. So after searching this, there we having a first search result by OpenAI. Let's open it up and try GPT. And then if you having a already account signed in, then you will be prompt a screen where you have to sign in the chat gpt, but I am already signed up. So for now I having a chat gpt app. So after that use it. You can see it's a mobile interface. So here you can see ChatGPT is working fine. So click on three dot at upper right corner and then click to add to home screen. You have to just press this button, and here you can write chat gpt. You can write any name you want. So for now you can see the apps is successfully installed. It's not a proper app but kinda work. So if you like my video, please subscribe and share the video. Thanks for watching.